Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're following me on Instagram, you know I'm making this bathroom vanity. The next step is to make the doors and the drawers. The doors are going to be mission style, which means we need rails and stiles, and we're going to make grooves on the rails and the stiles. And for that I made this quick and dirty jig for the router table to make the grooves. However, this is not going to win the Wood Jigs 21 challenge hosted by James at FixItFingers. We're going to make a better jig, which is going to be a lot safer. I'm going to revamp the old jig. First off, remove the end piece, which was stuck on there with double-sided sticker tape. Just clean it all up, and then start building the new jig. Just marking up a scrap piece of pine that's going to be attached to the 1/4 inch MDF, and it's kind of like a sacrificial board. Just squaring up the ends, and then I'll take it to the table saw and just clean up the edges of the board, ready to be used. I'm not going to glue the 1/4 inch MDF to the pine board. Like I said, the pine board is going to be a sacrificial board, and I can always replace it whenever I need to. As you can see, the pine board is not totally covered. It's displaced about 3/4 of an inch, and there's a reason for that, and we'll show you that later on in the video. The jig is going to have a couple of handles on top of it, and here I'm just cutting up a scrap piece of pine again to make the handles. I'm going to give it a 5-degree angle on both sides of one of the handles. The other handle, one of the ends will have a curve to it. I'm going to sand it down. Again, you don't need to do this. This is just for comfort. And I'm going to use the handles to hide the screws on top of the jig. It's just placement. Again, personal choice where you want to attach the handles. The top handle of the jig, I'm going to place it at an angle. Again, it's for comfort. And after I used it, I think I'm going to move that handle, leave it at an angle, but move it higher up on the jig. The jig is complete. It was simple to make and is ready to use. As you can see, the sacrificial board sticks out about 3/4 inch, and that's to avoid the tear out from the router bit. So as you can see, there's no tear out on the workpiece on either side, and that's good news. And that's what the sacrificial board looks like after you've used it once. That about does it for this simple jig. Please go ahead and check out all the other jigs that are entered the Wood Jigs 21 challenge hosted by James at FixItFingers. Thanks again, and we'll see you again soon.